Prime Minister Narendra Modi has embarked on a 5-day visit to Nigeria, Brazil, and Guyana today. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla highlighted that the Comptroller and Auditor General of India (CAG) is working with great transparency and its credibility and authenticity are now recognized globally. Union Minister of Textiles Giriraj Singh today inaugurated the ministry's pavilion at the 43rd India International Trade Fair (IITF) in New Delhi. National Press Day is being celebrated across the country today to honor the essential role of a free and responsible press in society. In cricket, India thrashed South Africa by a staggering 135 runs in the fourth and final T20 International at the Wanderers Stadium in Johannesburg last night.